Alright, hello and welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can go about creating an ebook, since this tends to be the most daunting one for most people. Now there's actually a very easy way you can go about creating an ebook, and I plan on actually doing it for this course as well. So the easiest way that you can go about making an ebook is to just record yourself explaining the thing that you're knowledgeable in. So record yourself explaining what it is that you want to teach, and then have that transcribed in a website called Rev. What Rev is they have you pay like 10 cents, 25 cents per minute of footage. And then a real person, like a live person, will go in and transcribe every single word that you said and then give you back a document. So now you have a large document with the words that you said all put on paper. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to actually go in and make any edits that they potentially messed up as they were listening to what it is that you're saying. So now, cool, now you have like this edited long piece of content where it's just a bunch of scrambled words, but it makes more sense now because you went in and edited it so that it actually makes sense. The next thing you want to do is use a website called Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you can find people who do all sorts of things. You can find accountants, people who do art. In this case, you would be going on there to look for an editor and publisher of ebooks, and what they'll do is they'll take your ugly PDF full of crazy words and just a large Word document, and then they'll take that and they'll make it look nice, and they'll give you a table of contents, they'll number the pages, they'll include images that you want, and now you have a solid ebook. And that is the easiest way of going about making an ebook, and you'll find that you can become a published author very, very, very fast doing it this way. So I hope that made sense. I will include the sites that I mentioned below this video so that you can go check them out, and see you in the next video.